A new era of XR begins, where Samsung innovation brings AI to life, reshaping how we experience the world. Introducing Galaxy XR, the first to be built on the Android XR platform. With Google Gemini, designed from the start to truly understand what you see and hear. With the power to drive extraordinary experiences, Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 plus Gen 2 processor worlds, wide open. Gemini, take me to New York. Google Maps with Gemini, just say the word, and explore the world in every dimension with Gemini on Google Maps. It's like I'm actually flying over the city. Your voice becomes the compass, and Gemini your guide, as you soar above the city, or step right into its streets. Gemini, where are some great spots to enjoy the full view of the Manhattan skyline? There are many great spots. Some popular options include the Brooklyn Bridge. I want to check this out. When curiosity calls, what's the best route to walk the Brooklyn Bridge? The most popular route starts on the Manhattan side near City Hall. Gemini guides your journey into boundless exploration. Crafted with a human-centric and lightweight design for long-term comfort. Netflix designed for Galaxy XR. Experience Netflix. Designed for Galaxy XR. Every scene expands before you through the ultra-bright, crystal-clear display. Crystal-clear display cinematic scale meets true immersion. See every story as if it's unfolding right before your eyes. Google Photos. Experience your memories in 3D with Google Photos. Moments turn spatial, vivid, and living, so that you can keep your memories alive. Each moment becomes an opportunity to learn something new with AI. Oh, what's this? And your next discovery is just one circle away. Circle to search with Google, and your next discovery is just one circle away. Oh, Gongi. Gemini, what's the history of Gongi? Gongi has been around a really long time, and it's a popular Korean game. So, how do you play? Alright, you start tossing 5 stones. You catch them in the back of your hand, and then catch them again. Highlights on YouTube with Gemini. That's a foul. When watching highlights on YouTube with Gemini, you're never just watching. Gemini, 5 seconds left, and we're down by 4. How on earth do we close the gap in time? You'll need a quick score and a foul to get back the ball. We got that quick too. But they've got free throws. How do we come out on top? Now they'll need to play some really tight defense and hope the other team misses at least one free throw. You dive deeper into every play, with Gemini unlocking insights in real time. It is a whole new experience. With Samsung Galaxy XR, new realms of discovery come alive. Immersion deepens. Boundaries dissolve. From daily life to infinite worlds, your next reality begins here. Worlds wide open. Galaxy XR, all from Samsung VR headsets. Google AI learning related for you, recently uploaded, watched.